Chapter 2 of the National Electrical Code, NEC, does not specifically address spacing requirements for receptacles in commercial applications such as offices or hospitals. However, the NEC does provide guidance on electrical requirements for various occupancies, including commercial buildings. For hospitals, NEC Article 517 provides additional requirements for electrical installations. Section 517.13 specifies that patient bed locations shall have at least 4 duplex receptacles, with one receptacle located at the head of the bed and the remaining 3 positioned equally along the sides of the bed. Additional receptacles may be required in patient care areas for equipment, appliances, or other loads. For other commercial applications, such as offices, NEC Article 600 provides guidance on receptacle spacing. Section 600.8 states that general-purpose receptacles shall be spaced such that no point is smaller than 6 feet from a receptacle outlet. Section 600.10 specifies that receptacles installed in non-dwelling units such as offices and hospitals shall have a rating of at least 20 amps. In addition to the NEC requirements, building codes and local ordinances may also impose specific requirements for receptacle spacing and placement. It is important to consult with local authorities to determine any applicable regulations. When determining the spacing and location of receptacles in commercial applications, consider the following best practices. Firstly, provide sufficient receptacles to meet the operational needs of the space. Secondly, locate receptacles in accessible and convenient locations. Thirdly, consider the placement of furniture, equipment, and appliances when planning receptacle locations. Fourthly, use a consistent spacing pattern to ensure uniform distribution of receptacles.